Rolling down the hill, a journey through English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that paints a vivid picture and carries more meaning than you might expect. Roll down the hill. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English, this video is for you. Let's unravel the layers behind this expression and see how it rolls in various contexts. Roll down the hill literally describes an object or person moving downwards along a slope, propelled by gravity. This action is smooth and continuous, much like a ball rolling down an inclined surface. It's a common physical occurrence, but in language, it's often used to set a scene or describe an action in stories and everyday conversation. Beyond its literal sense, roll down the hill can take on metaphorical meanings. It might describe a situation that's gaining momentum or escalating without much effort, similar to how an object picks up speed as it rolls downhill. This phrase can also suggest a descent into a worse state or condition, implying a loss of control or deterioration over time. Let's look at how this phrase works in different sentences. Literal: the soccer ball rolled down the hill and into the river. Figurative momentum: once the project started, it just kept rolling down the hill, getting bigger and faster. Figurative descent: after missing the deadline, his reputation started to roll down the hill. When using roll down the hill, consider the context. For physical descriptions, it's straightforward. But in metaphorical use, ensure the implied meaning, whether it's gaining momentum or experiencing a decline, is clear from the context. This phrase is versatile, but clarity is key to effective communication. And there we have it. Roll down the hill is more than just a simple action. It's a phrase rich with imagery and meaning. Whether you're describing a literal tumble or a metaphorical shift, this expression can add depth to your language. We hope you found this exploration insightful and that it adds value to your English learning journey. Until next time, keep rolling forward with your language skills, and thank you for watching.